midday already. It's like 12 o'clock. And today I am planning to make an outfit out of this fabric. So this is my project for today, because I'm thinking maybe when I manage, I'll make two to three outfits today, but I will see how it's gonna go. Anyway, I think you were wondering what happened. Okay, this is my hair. This is my natural hair. Today I thought I'm going to wear my natural hair. Let me just put this like this. I'm going to wear my natural hair. I think it looks pretty good. Although it's always a big work because it's natural, no chemicals, no nothing. And it's always having a lot of work. So to put it flat, to hold it together. So I have it today like that. And I'm so happy because I get some air. I get air inside my head, and maybe I will do that often now because, well, why not? I mean, it's not looking bad wearing your own hair. There are people who will love to have hair, but they don't have. But you know, sometimes it's good for a change. So today we're going to start with this. It's just like elegant simple outfit, 2 pieces. It's a skirt with a opening slit on the front, on the one side, and a top, a long sleeve top. So I'm going to start now on my manicure to form this skirt, but I think I will just take another skirt which fits well to make to get the patterns. I don't want to just cut like that. So turn around with me so that you can see how it goes. So here I started with, I just measured the waist and the length, and I added some few centimeters so that I can get the length I want before I start cutting the really size. So I'm going to cut this. This is the waist. So this is what we're going to use as the scalp, and I'm going to fold it I'm going to fold it into 4 parts. That way we have our and I'm going to use my skirt which I've been wearing, and it fits well as a pattern. So pattern I'm using for my skirt that fits well. So we're going to use this one as an pattern, and I'm going to cut the way it is a little. I'm going to leave a little bit down there. I want it to be a little bit wider, so I will start here. So this is the main skirt. I'm just going to sew it together, but first of all I will just make a top, and we will have our slit over on the front, so I'm going to go through there.